Welcome to this tutorial on using the Flickr API for flood monitoring through free text, geotagging and date filtering. This is the third and last chapter of the Flickr chapter and of the last chapter of the Smart Data class. This script is invaluable for geographers as it enables the collection and analysis of real-time geospatial data from Flickr. By filtering photos based on keywords, geotags and dates, geographers can monitor and study events such as floods with precision. The integration with Google Earth Engine allows for advanced mapping and spatial analysis, enhancing disaster response and urban planning efforts. This tutorial will guide you through using the Flickr API to gather and visualize flood-related data effectively. We start by importing the necessary modules. Note that this time there is a couple more modules to import, as this tutorial is the last of the chapter and therefore more comprehensive than the previous ones. After importing all modules, including GEEmap and EE, authenticate and initialize Google Earth Engine. Next, let's set user-defined variables, including the project name, Flickr API secret and key, search parameters, bounding box coordinates, date range, result limit, and whether to download images. Setting these parameters right in the beginning makes the script reusable and changeable for investigations with other geolocations or dates in the future. By setting the download to true, you will enable the download of the Flickr images. Now, let's initialize the Flickr API and create a results folder if it does not already exist. This declares variables to store photo IDs, information and geolocation data. By gathering this data into separate lists, the script ensures that each type of information is organized and easily accessible for subsequent processing and analysis. Using the Flickr API, we search for photos based on our specified parameters. We extract geolocation data and download the highest quality images available by giving preference to it. We can save the geolocation data and photo information to JSON files for later use. To read the JSON file with geotags into the data frame, we use pandas and then flatten the data. And to prepare the data for accurate and reliable geospatial analysis and visualization, let's clean the column names and ensure the latitude and longitude columns are numeric. This is important so that we can work later with these numeric values. We convert the data frame to a geodata frame and save it as a GeoJSON file. Finally, we add the data to a Google Earth Engine map to visualize the distribution of the geotagged images. With these steps, you can efficiently filter, download, and visualize geotagged images from Flickr for any desired topic or keyword, in this case, floodings.